the show, we're here to let you know. Welcome to the Silicon South Show. It's time to let it flow, rockin' hard. We're taking charge, we won't.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Big L with the Silicon South Show. I bet you guys are shocked to actually hear me and not Triple S. I know, weird, huh? Alright, so we're in VS Code here. This is my terminal screen. I wrote this script in Python. It's called Scrapester. And this down here is the directory where everything it scrapes gets dumped into files in this directory. I'll run it from up here. Let me go ahead and bring them both up. I'll run it up here. That's what we'll do now. And it will appear at the bottom. I think we'll do something like, let's go with option 1. And then we'll do bottles. Boom. Alright, let's see what we get. That's a lot. So, as you can see, those are pretty big files for just text. It goes through the search engines. Basically, I'll type in my query, it goes to like 7 different engines, and then it goes to all the links that it pulls up, and then I have it only going to one by one. Otherwise, it'd be like way too much stuff. But for this demo, at least. And anyway, that's what I have it doing. I don't use any APIs, nothing paid for. It's all just Python. That's it. So let's try it again. Let's go up here, do another one, and this time we'll do, I don't know, let's see, like apples. And there's no real parsing problems either. And yeah, so there you go. There's your Apple files. And you know, I can have it do as many as I want. I mean, I can make it have thousands of them show up there, but no APIs, no paid nothing, all local, only Python. All your data goes right there. It's all good. This is Big L, SiliconSouthShow.com. You guys be good, and I'm out.
Welcome to the Silicon South Show. Come join the insanity. Come join the insanity. Welcome to the Silicon South Show.